Hey, what's up, everybody? How you doing? Eric here. Hey, I was just building a survey for somebody in Survey Detective. One of the things that I was asking the person was, what's their elevator pitch? And they didn't know it. They had to sit down and really think about it. And I think that's something that when you're building your business, you should start with. And then you should know, like, bam, if I ask you that question, and you'll really have a good hold on your business. When you're asking me, how should I start my lead gen business? Or how should I start my expert business? Or how should I start my whatever business? You really should just think about those four things, right? I help, like the niche, with what's the problem, by what's the solution, so that what is the result? So you really want to come up with what's the niche, what's the problem, what is your solution, and what will happen to them when they use your solution. What's the transformation? What is the result that they're going to get? Those four things will help you define your business, will help you define what you're doing, will help you define everything you need to get going. It's the foundation of a business. I encourage you guys to kind of sit back and think about it. Like if I bump into you in an elevator, and we're on the 12th floor, and we press 1 to the lobby, and I say, hey man, what do? You would give me your elevator pitch. I help blank niche with what problem, by what solution, so that they can get that result or transformation. I know it's basic, but it's really not. You know, some of the people that have been doing millions of dollars that I asked this to, sit and think about it. I just think if you guys really want to build a solid business and understand what you're doing and who you're serving, it's a good exercise. So I would encourage you all to take a shot at that, read it back to yourselves, and continue to look at that, because it'll change a lot. It's really, really helpful. That said, I'm out. Later. Be well, guys.